Hello, today we will talk about a new list of automotive products. Today video is about
shift boots knobs.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get latest videos from our amazing channel.
Here at Mishimoto, we're known for being the leader in performance cooling products, and we didn't earn that title without doing things a little different. We're a company created for automotive enthusiasts by automotive enthusiasts. Our team of skilled and devoted individuals is what keeps the Mishimoto brand at the top. With everyone working together, we can be as efficient as possible. Offering the best support for our products is easy, with our main engineering facility attached right next door. Our expert team of engineers designs all products in-house, with top-of-the-line equipment at their disposal. Prototypes are designed on the vehicles for best results, then fabricated in a rapid prototype 3D printer, and tested with our coordinate measuring machine to ensure fitment. Once fitment is confirmed, our engineers get to work on creating the final sample for rigorous on-vehicle testing. Temperature and pressure sensors, and in-house dyno testing, like our X-ray stir brake radiators, bladder system. Every vehicle we support goes through this process, so we can engineer and design the best products on the market, and then make them better. Our top-notch in-house graphic artists design our packaging, whose beautiful and efficient designs create an experience that starts the product arrive. When you see a package designed as well as the product at best. But we don't just create these products, we support them as well. With an in-house studio, we create video tutorials on installation, in-depth features and benefits coverage, and lifestyle videos to bring our customers everything they would need to enjoy their new product to the fullest extent. Our support extends to on-site interaction, major automotive and truck events, professional drivers that put their faith in our product. We sign up for special offers that come with being part of Team Mishimoto. Mishimoto stands at the forefront of power sport and automotive.